Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Scholl and I am your daughter's AP Computer Science Principles teacher. Just a little bit about myself. I'm originally from the Northwest suburbs, not from the South Side. I went to Northwestern University where I graduated summa cum laude. I am a huge Northwestern football fan, so I'm really crossing my fingers that the Big Ten can play in January like they're thinking about. This right here is just a picture of my family and a picture of me traveling, just because I love to do that. Here at Mother Macaulay, I teach computer science and physics. I am also the Science Bowl coach and National Honor Society moderator. Just a little bit about how I think computer science should be taught. It should be student-centered. You can't learn computer science by me sitting here and lecturing. You have to actually get on a computer and do it. We do have safety protocols for sharing electronics throughout the day, so don't worry about that on that front. We have done extensive research on how to make sure that this is safe for your daughter to participate. Students are really in charge of their own learning. This is an AP course, and I'm going to be treating it as such. Your daughter has to make sure that she's asking questions and being her own best advocate. Computer science is an important class because its skills transfer through any career. And this is a class where anyone can do it. There is no prerequisite required. Some big ideas from the AP board. The first is creative development. Your student will get a chance to be creative in programming and making her own things. Other big thing is data. What data is out there? How do we create it? All of that. Algorithms and programming, so that's the actual coding, making logical steps on how to do it. Computer systems and networks, the internet, how do we put these computers together, and just impact of computing. So why is computing important? How has it changed the world? Now, currently there are 2 dates from the College Board for this class. First, April 30th is when the portfolio is going to be due. This is going to be the actual program that she creates and gives to the AP board. The other one is May 13th. Right now, that is the schedule for the multiple choice section of the AP test. Obviously, this is a fluid situation. If the College Board comes out and gives us different information, these numbers will be updated, but this is just what is scheduled right now. So just some guides to learning in 2020. First of all, focusing in class. Even when your student is at home, she is in class, so she needs to focus just as if she was sitting right here. Okay, other things, completing assignments on time. This is a class where if you don't do it the day of, you could fall behind. So you need to make sure that, especially since we're transitioned to a block schedule for now, that she's staying on top of her assignments and staying organized. She should have the contact information of a few other students in this class already. So if she's ever absent, she has somebody to talk to. Ask questions. The next slide will talk about how to get help from me, but in class, make sure that she's being an advocate and asking things she doesn't understand. And communication really is the key here. I don't know if she doesn't know anything unless she tells me. So like I said, extra help. Students should let me know as soon as possible when they need something. The Science Center is still open Tuesday through Thursday after school. It's going to be meeting both in person and virtually. So we'll have an opportunity, even when your student is at home, to get help. I'm available before school, 2nd period, 4th period, and 6th period. Okay, so if your student needs help, we can schedule a meet during that time. 4th period, I could be in the middle of other things, but I will have some free time during that time as well. We can schedule a time to talk in person or over a meet. Just a few important reminders. Best method of contact is my email address. I'm on it all the time, and she should be using that as soon as she needs help. All important information will be on our Google Classroom page. I've already taken the students through how to navigate, how I've set it up, but just in case there's ever any doubt, look at Classroom. And if you have any questions, normally this would be the time of the night where I get to stand up here and you can interact a bit. But if you have questions, just a comment, want to say hi, go ahead and send me an email and I'd be happy to get in touch with you. So have a great night virtually, and we'll have a great year.